Hi, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to be talking about two words that we often mispronounce, and these words were suggested by my Facebook followers. Okay, so you can see the two words here. These two words are not pronounced the same way. The first has 3 syllables and the second one has 2 syllables. So the first one is pronounced courtesy. Courtesy. In American English, you pronounce it as courtesy. Courtesy. The second one is pronounced curtsy. Curtsy. In American English, it's curtsy. Curtsy. Okay, so when you listen to the two of them, you realize that the first one has 3 syllables. Courtesy. Courtesy. And the second one has 2 syllables. Curtsy. Courtesy. So what do they mean? So you need to know the meaning of the words. So the first one, which is courtesy, means polite behavior that shows that you have respect for other people. You can say something like this: lack of courtesy is sometimes seen as a disease of modern society. Lack of courtesy is sometimes seen as a disease of modern society. This is from the Longman Dictionary. If you have a Longman Dictionary, you'll find this sentence there. So the second meaning is something you do or say to be polite. So like, you know, we come to work in the morning, we exchange courtesies. Courtesies, okay? It's just like the small talk that people often talk about. Okay, you can say something like this: before the meeting began, the invitees exchanged courtesies. Pretty simple, right? And then the final one, which means, which is often used like this: courtesy of someone. So this means by the permission or kindness of someone rather than by paying them. So that's what courtesy of means. So you can say she had her first car courtesy of her fans, or I had my first house courtesy of my fans as well. So because I'm hoping on you. All right. Okay, so I think that's just about the word courtesy. Let's move to the word curtsy. What does curtsy mean? Curtsy is a sign of respect that a woman makes to a more important person by bending her knees with one foot behind the other. So this is what you tend to see in most British movies where somebody curtsies. So you can say curtsies, or she bobs a curtsy. So that's how you tend to do it, okay? So how do you use it? You can say she curtsied, or she bobbed a curtsy. Okay, these are the 2 ways you use it. So curtsy is like doing something like this, you know, and that's for ladies. So hardly do people here use the word curtsy, because we don't actually curtsy. We do something else, maybe genuflect or prostrate, right? So those are the things we normally do. Like most Yoruba persons, they do that. So we do genuflection, which is more of what you see in the church, in some Orthodox church, like the Roman Catholic Church, they genuflect. So this is bobbing a curtsy, right? All right, so I hope this makes sense to you. Courtesy and curtsy, all right? Have a wonderful day. I'm King Ifey, and I more than anything love to see you prosper. Thank you.